Hey guys, it's your girl Megan back with another video, and today's super exciting because we're packing for Disney. Let's get into it. Here is the madness. So let me show you my outfit ideas. I can't wait. I still can't believe this is real. Okay, so we are going to 3 parks. We're going to Epcot, Animal Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. So I have an outfit planned. We're going to be there for 5 days. So we will go a day, off a day, go a day, off a day, go a day, and then I will cry on the way home. So I have my outfits, ears, things like that, shoes, and then I have my husband's stuff. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing that part or not, but I'm going to show you my outfits. I thought about doing a try-on kind of pack with me, but I think I'm just going to do some outfit of the day TikTok. So if you want to follow me, excuse me, if you want to follow me on TikTok, here it is. I'll also put the link in the description if that's easier for you to just click the link. Feel free to do so. I'm trying to get to 2,000 followers, so please help a sister out. First, we're going to start with the Hollywood Studios outfit. So for that, we're doing Toy Story. So let me show you. So here's an overview of the outfit. We have my plaid shorts from AliExpress, my Woody's Roundup shirt. This is from Five Below. I literally screamed in the store when I found this. My ears are also from AliExpress, but they have the stretchy, because sometimes I get a headache, okay? My Pizza Planet Loungefly with my little alien keychain. And then I have Jessie and Bullseye earrings that I'm going to wear. And I have my red Kendra Scott necklace. Now for shoes, I have 2 options for shoes. I'm not sure if I want to do the white On Clouds or if I want to do the Nike Blazers. But I also have, I'm not sure if I want to wear, Toy Story socks or not. Or just, you can't see my socks because it's going to be hot. But for Epcot is where I'm going to meet Winnie the Pooh, which, if you know me, my favorite is Winnie the Pooh. Probably literally going to cry, so definitely follow on TikTok to see that. Duh. I will show you guys that next. This outfit is heavily dependent, sorry, words are hard, heavily dependent on what I find at Disney Springs. Now the plan is we are leaving our house at 4 a.m. because check-in is at 4. It's an 11-hour drive. That gives us an hour, probably going to be more than an hour, for stops and things, but you know. And then once we get checked in, whatever, blah, 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 I want to go to Disney Springs because I'm looking for one of 2 Loungeflies, okay? There's 2 at the parks that I really like, and pretty much whichever one they have is the winner, and that's the one we're going to get. So it's either this Winnie the Pooh one. I absolutely love this. Or it is this pink woven one, which I also like because I have a few Loungeflies that are just solid, and I feel like those are better to go with outfits. You can just add a keychain of whatever character that happens to have the pink in it, the black in it, red, whatever it is, and it's just more, you'll come more using it because it'll go with more. So anyway, with that being said, we don't have a bag to show just yet, but that's going to be my first purchase. Then for the outfit, okay? Now, I can't show this like I did the other one because I have to hold it up or whatever. But I have this dress from Amazon, this little black workout dress. Now, I'm either going to wear it just like this, or I'm going to wear it with this shirt over top of it, if I get the pink bag, okay? If I get the pink bag, then we're going to go with this option and just tie it up on the side. And these are my ears. They are from Amazon. I absolutely love these. I think they're so cute, the little drawings of Pooh. Adorable. Now, the reason that we have a t-shirt like over a dress is also because there's a lot of princesses there, like in each country, you know. So I have a princess shirt that I might wear, like change, just like take this off over top of this and put this on, you know, whatever, for like a quick change. And then I have these princess ears. They're probably coming in the mail tomorrow, hopefully in time. And I will wear those for pictures with princesses. So that is the plan for that. Stay tuned to see if that is what transpires or not. Also, I forgot to mention shoes. It'll more than likely be the On Clouds, but if we do go for a pink kind of thing, I also kind of thought about bringing these. These are from Amazon, but I'm not like sure how these will be for like walking all day long, because I'm trying to get my money's worth. I'm trying to get my time. This is a super big deal to me. As you guys know, if you've been following me for literally any amount of time, you know that this is like a literal dream come true for me to finally go to Disney. This room is my Disney until I make it there in a few days. So what shoes are better? I mean, I'm going to be there from the time they open them gates to the time they kick me out, okay? So help me know what to do. I mean, I'm going to bring all these options, but when this video is posted, please help me out. Finally, we have the Animal Kingdom outfit. Now, my favorite movies are the Avatar movies. Absolutely love Avatar. Might be an unpopular opinion. I really don't know, but I love them. I don't know if you can kind of see it, this shelf. Yes, this shelf is my Avatar shelf. This is from the parks, but I got it from somebody on Poshmark for a crazy good deal. It lights up, but this is the Loungefly of Pandora that I have, and I'm pretty sure that's Neytiri. I'm pretty sure that's Neytiri on there. But anyway, this is the Loungefly of choice. And then I have, get all my ducks in a row here. I have this blue athletic dress. Yes, that we're going to wear. And then the ears, where did those go? I have Avatar ears with the little like Sprite things on them. I think is what they're called. Yes, so this is going to be so fun. And then I thought about, is Stitch there? Is Stitch in Animal Kingdom? I don't know. You tell me. But just in case, I can switch to some Stitch ears if we need to. They'll just be in the bag, you know. We'll see. But the shoes for that is going to be my blue On Cloud Monster. So that's what I'm thinking for Animal Kingdom. On to the next. Now, for the 2 days off. Tuesday is Noel and I's anniversary. So his thing is he loves fishing, and so we're going to be close to a super popular lake or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it. Here it is. Okay. So we're going fishing for him. And then for me, we're going to go Disney thrifting. I want to go to some Goodwills and different things. I want to go to that character warehouse. Just all the deals, all the steals, okay? And then something at the end of the day that we both love is bowling. So we're going to go to Disney Springs and go bowling. And make sure you subscribe, okay? Okay, because I'm going to make some vlogs and you can see all this fun stuff that we're doing. And you can see my Mickey Mouse bowling ball bag. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So we might end up buying a ticket to Universal. And if that's the case, I got outfits for that. So just hold on. So I have my Marie, this little Aristocat shirt. This is from Ross. And then I just have my Levi 501s that I'm going to wear with that. And I'm going to use my little Bagoo dupe from Walmart. And I've brought some different pins depending on the outfit to like pin on there. And I've got different like pin backs. So I've got these two little ones of her. Of course, the ladies do not start fights, but they can finish them. And we have Marie with Duchess. And then I I'm going to take this little hair clip, and I'll probably clip her right there like so. And that's just my little plan for that. And then just in case for another outfit, these are just like plain black ears with like the little stretchy headband, which let's try that out. Can we see them? Yeah. So I have this Mickey shirt with little Mickey on the front. I like how it's got pink shorts, and then all of the friends on the back. And then to go with this, I have this little like skirt, like Free People dupe little skirt. Sorry, the sun's getting weird. But this is the only way I can have any kind of light. Okay, so I'm trying to get better videos for you guys because I've been stuck, and I'm trying to get to 700 subscribers. Actually, I would obviously like way more than that, but we're so close to 700. I don't know why we couldn't get there. If we all just, you know, band together and get it done. Because it's free to do. It's free to subscribe, so I don't understand why you would not. Then, if we do go to Universal Studios, I'm not sure if I want to do like Back to the Future outfit or Harry Potter. Dalton says Back to the Future. I low-key want to do Harry Potter, but at the same time, my Harry Potter outfit's all black, and I would roast. So, I don't know, but I'm going to show you just in case. So, I have this Harry Potter shirt from the first movie. There we go. We can see it now. So, I have that, and then I have, like, a bracelet, necklace, and earrings of, like, the golden snitch. And then, if I would use this bag, I have this keychain that I would put on it of Quidditch at Hogwarts. So that would go on the bag. And then I have three different pins. This one, and if you know, you know. And then I have this little like skirt. It's got shorts or whatever, because duh, we're at a park. And then I have this little like pleated skirt that I would wear. But what I could do also is I could wear my Back to the Future shirt, which is just gray, and it is just the logo of the movie. So like Marty with the DeLorean and like the whole, you know, the whole thing. This is it. Okay, this is it. And still have like Harry Potter pins. So that's my options for that. And then once again, either the blazers or the on clouds, depending on what I'm feeling that day. I have my little Winnie the Pooh new emo. Ooh, my little Winnie the Pooh new emo. A little bit of jewelry and things, nothing crazy, because I want to try to keep it very minimal so it doesn't get all tangled up and things like that. But if you want to keep up with me in real time, like I said, follow me on TikTok. That's the place to be. Gosh, I just can't believe this, y'all. I can't believe this. This is absolutely insane in the best way. As we're filming this, we are literally 3 days away. Excuse me, what? 3 days? Crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Most importantly, though, don't forget to smile, because God loves you. Bye, guys.